friends, this is Ashish from IELTS Oracle, and today I'm going to discuss 5 extremely basic words with which we can easily grab 5.5 or 6 bands in our writing as well as in our speaking modules. But when we replace these words with some effective synonyms, we can easily fetch beyond 7 bands. So let's get started. Our first word is important. It is an extremely common word in our English language. So we can replace this word with these words. When we use this particular word important in our sentence, it really gives a very simple effect to the sentence. But when we replace this word with these words, we can easily enhance the quality of our sentence. So these words are imperative, incumbent, indispensable, inevitable, pivotal, vital, etc. And if we have to fit these words in a sentence, we can say education plays an important role in everyone's life. So instead of writing important, we can say incumbent. Education plays an incumbent role in everyone's life. Our second word is many. This is also extremely ordinary word when we practice for IELTS exam. It can be used at least 10 to 15 times a day when we practice for IELTS. So, in order to replace this word, we can use its synonyms such as multifarious, umpteen, various, plenty of, ample of, myriad, and so on. For instance, there can be many reasons behind the criminal activities. So instead of writing this particular word many, we can replace it with our first word multifarious. So we can say there can be multifarious reasons behind the criminal activities. Our next basic word is children. And in order to replace this word, we can use these words. And these are offsprings, juveniles, younger ones, scions, descendants, etc. To illustrate, we can say parents should teach moral values to their children. So rather than writing children, we can write offsprings. So sentence will be like parents should teach moral values to their offsprings. Our fourth word is increase. This is also a very significant and a common word in IELTS writing task, especially in academics, where we have to do the comparisons. So in order to get rid of the monotony of this particular word, we can replace it with these words such as burgeon, mushroom, soar, surge, hike, skyrocket, incline, and so on. To illustrate, we can say the population of South Africa was increasing. Now, this word increasing can be replaced with, let's say, burgeoning. So the sentence will be like, the population of South Africa was burgeoning. Our last and final word is decrease, which is also an antonym of our previous word increase. In order to replace this particular word, we can use these words such as plummet, plunge, decline, subside, dwindle, slash, etc. So, for the example, I have taken the previous example. The sentence was, the population of South Africa was increasing. So, instead of writing increasing, I have written decreasing. Now, rather than writing decreasing word, I can replace this word with the word plummeting. So the sentence will be like, the population of South Africa was plummeting. So see how easy it is to elevate the standard of your sentence just by replacing one particular word. So friends, I hope this video will be beneficial for you to crack this exam with flying colors. I'll see you next time with a new video and some new ideas. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.